my god, you guys, I came as soon as I could. Hello. Yeah, hi. Wait, you are extremely calm for this situation. What situation? Didn't you hear? Hear what? Those are explosions. No way, you guys. Oh my god. What happened? The explosions. Explosions continue. No. Oh my god, what happened to the citizens? Are they all dead? No, they're not dead. They're just shocked. And that's why they fell down. Wait, but what about the explosions? Didn't they, erase half of the planet? No, guys, that was just a light show. I was supposed to tell you that it's just a light show. And we had to warn all the citizens, because otherwise they would be very surprised and they would fall down. And that's exactly what happened. Oh, so silly. Yeah, but didn't you hear about the real explosions, though? What a real explosion.